How to install a Titan sliding patio security screen door with the MeshTech Advanced Screen System. Open the package and locate the installation instructions, and take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the parts identified in the diagram as you unpack. Be sure to remove all protective film from the patio security screen door. Be sure to retain all packaging until the patio screen door is successfully installed. Please contact us before returning the product. Customer service and technical support are available Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, by phone at 866-317-8867 or via email at support@uhdco.com. If your order indicated your main patio door is vinyl, it is important to replace the vinyl screen door track insert with the metal insert provided for that purpose. Using pliers, remove the vinyl track insert and use it to mark the metal track for length. Cut the track as marked and install it. Measure to the middle of the face of the main patio door inactive panel's center vertical stile and mark lightly with a pencil from top to bottom, as shown. Using the T25 Torx tamper-proof security bit provided, adjust the bottom wheels so they're fully retracted, stand the latch jam extender in place on the latch side of the main patio door, place the top wheels of the panel into the screen door top pocket, then lift the panel up and position the bottom wheels in place on the screen door track. Use a putty knife to depress the wheels if it is a tight fit. Install the exterior handle on the security screen door panel using the screws provided. Now adjust the bottom wheels to lift the panel further into the top patio screen door pocket and for smooth sliding operation as needed. Next, ensure the multi-point lock is unlocked by pushing down on the latch on the inside of the security screen door panel. If your main patio door is equipped with a pocket that is deeper than the latch jam extender mounting leg, attach the shims provided in 5 places on the back of the mounting leg until the latch jam extender clears the edge of the pocket and installs flat in the bottom of the pocket. If your patio door is equipped with a pocket that is wider than the latch side jam extender mounting leg, it may be necessary to cut and install shims on the side of the mounting leg above each mounting point to align the latching face of the extender with the door lock channel. Mark and drill holes used to mount the latch extender using a 1/8" drill bit and fasten it to the patio door frame using the number 6 2.5" panhead screws provided. Next, place the latch plate alignment pin on the middle locking knob and slide the door closed, moving the adjustable latch plate up or down as needed for the installation guide pin to pass through. Fasten the latch plate in place using 2 of the number 6 1/2" flathead self-drilling screws provided. Repeat the procedure for the remaining latch plates. Test the operation of the 3-point locking system and adjust the latch plates if there is any interference. Slight adjustments to the height of the bottom wheels may also be made to improve lock operation so long as the door continues to slide properly. Hold on to the installation guide pin for future adjustments, which may become necessary as the house continues to flex and settle. In preparation for installing the interlock, mark a 1/8" drill bit with tape to indicate the length of the 5/8" self-drilling interlock mounting screws provided. Drilling too deeply into the patio door may result in cracked or broken glass. Slide the interlock into position with the oval mounting holes over the line scribed on the inactive panel vertical stile. Using a 1/8" drill bit, drill at least 5 mounting holes in the main patio door inactive panel through the oval mounting holes and 2 through the small mounting holes, being extremely careful not to drill any deeper than the tape mark on the drill. Install the interlock mounting screws to the oval mounting holes, leaving them slightly loose. Adjust the interlock in and out to ensure 1/16" gap between the interlock and patio security screen door panel, and tighten each mounting screw, maintaining the gap from top to bottom. Operate the patio security screen door to ensure the interlock is not interfering, and adjust the interlock mounting depth as needed. Then install 2 screws through the small mounting holes. Finally, position the slide stop in the screen door pocket just inside the far vertical stile on the inactive door panel and mark. Using a 1/8" drill bit, drill the mounting hole and install the slide stop using the number 6 2.5" panhead screw provided. And that's all there is to installing a Titan sliding patio security screen door with MeshTech Advanced Screen System.